Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this is the Alfa Romeo Carabo, a fairly popular model by Matchbox based on another Italian concept car. The Carabo, designed by Marcello Gandini for Bertone, was introduced at the 1968 Paris Motor Show. The car was built on an Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale chassis and it was the first wedge-shaped car by Gandini, who later went on to design the Lamborghini Countach and set a whole new trend for wedge-shaped supercars. Lesney issued a model of the Carabo only in metallic purple with a bright yellow bottom plate, which didn't do justice to the Carabo name, since it was derived from the green Carabidae beetle species, and the original Carabo was of course iridescent green just like the beetle. The model on the turntable is also a long way from the original, since one of its former little owners decided to paint it red. The windows were slightly spared, but the wheel hubs were also painted. You can still make out the yellow of the bottom plate and the purplish shine under flaking red paint. I will not restore this model. My aim is to bring it a little closer to the actual beetle green concept car. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The Superfast model of the iconic Alfa Romeo Carabo concept car was a bestseller for Lesney, even though it was sold in the wrong colors to make it look more toy-like. This model came from a grab box at a local collector's fair. It was painted over in red by its previous owner, including the wheel hubs. The kit also added some paper striping and a racing number. It seemed to me like a good idea to give this one the beetle green colors of the original Carabo concept car. And this is our Carabo after the makeover, sporting the same metallic green as the original. The window and louvres were polished and the interior was sprayed black, like with the original car. It does look great in this combination, and it makes you wonder why Lesney didn't produce another line of this model in the original Carabo colors. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.